Hi guys, welcome back to Model channel. How are you today? Do you feel fine? Part number 3. Porsche Carrera 911 GT3 RS. Primer and the base color, guys. Today we will do the primer and also the base color. I will show you the steps, step by step, together with me. A Fire Scale, it's a new company that sent me a few paint. They sent me primer, so I will use it. The black and white, I will mix it a little bit to give him a look of dark gray, and after that we will paint it with zero paint. Yes, GT Silver, guys. This is the paint that we will use, and it's going to be fantastic. Step by step. Do you ready for more? I am here to show you more. Okay, so let's start spraying, enjoy music, and look what I'm doing with the spray gun, guys. Don't forget, this is all the secret. So let's start. Yes guys, so after the primer was around half hour, it's secure. You can smell it and feel it's secure if you're not sure. What I will do now together with you, it's a little bit wet sanded with water and a sponge 3000 to verify it. The surface is smooth, and after that we will do the base color. This is how I do it, guys. I love to make it. I think it's awesome for all the area of the car. If you reveal the area of the resin, if you reveal it, so paint it again. It's not a big task, but verify with your finger. If it's smooth, it's best. Okay, I have a little bit more here. Yes, okay. Do it for all the car, guys. It's very important. If you want perfect paint job, you all the time need little bit make a wet sanding, like I do it, slowly each place. No need to put pressure. Let the sponge guide you and do it in the best way that you can make. It will be very nice after the base color to see how much is smooth over there. And wow, what I can say about this primer, it's awesome primer, guys. Fire scale, wow, thank you very much for this amazing primer. It's cute, fantastic, it's very smooth. I feel that I don't need work too much on the body, just little bit, because I love to see the body work perfect. Use water, guys, it's help you to smooth the area. And, what you think? Wait for me. I will finish to wet sanding all the car, and we will go to paint it with this amazing color. Do you ready? Yes. So wait for us, guys. Okay, so yes guys, after half hour the paint is cured, everything look fantastic. As you can see, all look very good. This is why I love to use zero paint, everything smooth, especially in silver color. You need to give attention to the preparation of the body. Before you spray the silver, you need to verify that you don't have a dust, because on silver you see everything, and we don't want some dust on an area that we don't like. I hope that you like this color. It's magnificent for this car. I think it's amazing. On the next part, yes, we will do some decals and also the clear coat, and you will see everything pop up and shine, and wow. Thank you very much guys. I hope that you enjoy to see this build. Yes, I think about the new lab, and I will share with you the photo and also the video how I made it. But now all we need to do now is build more and more and more. Okay, so see you next Friday with new video guys. Love you so much. Bye bye. Rosso Model channel.